It's me, Rachel, and welcome to my channel. For this video, I'll be making a review regarding the foundation that I got from Maybelline, and I'm very excited to do this one, although this is not a first impression because I already used the product. But for you guys, I will be making a review, okay? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, this is the product that I'll be reviewing for you guys. So I've got the Dream Satin Skin from Maybelline. Sorry for my nails, guys. Yeah, so I've got this one from Landmark. It is 400 pesos, but the original price is 499. This is the bottle. It comes with a glass bottle, and then pump na siya. Very convenient to use kasi mapipigilan natin yung amount ng product na malalagay natin to our hands, to the back of our hands. And very maganda siyang gamitin kasi hindi siya ganun kakalat. Kasi unlike dun sa mga bottle na walang ganito, makalat siya, diba? So, it's good na may ganito na din siya. Okay, this is a Dream Satin Skin with SPF 24 PA++. Siya, guys. And then, yung kanyang description, unique air soft formula provides poreless, satin, smooth-looking skin. Extraordinary coverage that does not clog pores. Long-lasting and moisturizing all day. This comes with a 30 ml bottle, and then Air Whip liquid foundation din siya. I'm in the shade B2. For this review, I will be using two blending technique, using a brush and a sponge. So siguro half of my face will be sponge and half I'll be using the foundation brush. Ayan. So I have these two. I've got the foundation brush and also the sponge. Damp sponge siya, guys, para tingnan natin kung ano yung mas long lasting. So before anything else, I'll be using this Rain face primer to prime my face before I apply the product. Ayan, so I'll be getting some product from the bottle. So yung consistency niya, guys, is very thick. Ayan siya, hindi siya nahulog, guys. Okay, for the right side of my face, I'll be using my foundation brush, which is this what do you call this? Paddle brush. Ayan. So I'll be using this one. So lalagyan ko lang yung right side ng face ko with the product. Ayan. So yan, may product na ako sa mukha, guys. So spread lang natin. Makikita nyo, yung right side, meron na. Ito, wala pa. So, parang hindi niya na-cover yung redness ng face ko. Yan. So, meron pa mga redness. Yan. So, siguro dadagdagan ko pa siya. Para totally mawala yung redness. Kasi, may mga redness pa ako. So, this is the second layer of the product. Ayan, na-cover na naman niya yung redness. Except this one, kasi parang lumabas lang siya ngayon lang. Pero, let's see, tingnan natin mamaya, baka nag-react lang yung aking face. Ayan, sana hindi ako magkaroon ng any pimple, kasi on my previous one, nung ginamit ko naman to first time, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng breakouts. Ayan, so, for the half, hindi na siya half. Ayan, for the half, ito siya. Right side, and then ito wala pa. So, I think na-cover naman niya. Kaso parang nagkikake siya right now kasi may dry patches pala ako. I'm sorry, guys. Ayan, may mga dry patches ako dito. Nagbabalat-balat yung mukha ko. So, okay lang yan. Pero I think, nagkikake siya sa akin. I don't know, siguro sa mga dry patches lang. Doon na siya nagkikake. Pero, let's see kapag ginamit ko yung sponge. So, ito siya. This is the first time na gagamitin ko yung sponge. Hindi ako sa nag-sponge ever. On my first cover dito sa left side using a down sponge, I think mas flawless siya. Yun lang yung ano ko, yun lang yung nakita ko. Mas flawless siyang tingnan kaysa dito using my brush. So, let's see sa second layer kung ano mangyayari. I think mas maganda talaga yung down sponge kasi na-blend niya yung aking foundation very well. And this is my first time to use this method kasi yung ginagamit ko is fingers lang or brush. Pero using this one, this is my first time and I'm surprised. Yes, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya i-blend using a down sponge. Let's see kung mag-long lasting siya. Pero on my points of view, maganda naman yung foundation. Very dewy, hindi siya matte. Hindi finish siya. And yun lang, sa mga dry patches ko nagkaroon ng cakey. Pero it's okay kasi talaga, nagbabalat talaga yung mukha ko. So in terms of yung coverage niya, yes, it's okay. Na-cover niya yung mga redness ng face ko. And I think kung heavy, hindi naman ganun ka-heavy, pero hindi rin ganun siya ka-light. Okay lang. Nasa medium lang siya. Medium range. Let's see kung mag-long lasting siya sa aking face. And yes, so I'll be doing the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Hello everyone! So this is the final look for this review. I just used some of my makeups. This is not heavy makeup kasi medyo nude lang siya, although bumawi ako sa lips. Ayan. So I'll be including all the makeup used on the description box below if you are wondering kung ano yung mga ginamit ko. Ayan. So just yan, a simple makeup look lang guys. So, nag-contour ako, and then eyebrow, lips, mascara lang. So, some eyeshadow, pero yung pang-contour lang yung ginamit ko dyan, yung sa Mega Glow ng Wet n Wild. And then, what else? Yung highlights, ginamit ko yung sa paint box from Bench. Wala lang, I just want to try that. Yun, so, ginamit ko siya. And then, for the lips is Wet n Wild. Yun lang naman. Nakalimutan ko yung shade, pero I link the details below. So, the time is 6:50. Yun siya, guys. So, magsi-7 na. And siguro, I'll be back later on for the review. So, see you later, guys. Just a quick update, guys. So, it's almost 2 hours na. 9:08 na in the evening. And I want to update you regarding the foundation. So, right now, okay pa naman yung foundation. Hindi pa ako nag-retouch, hindi pa ako nagbablot, pero parang may oiliness na around my nose. And dito sa forehead, wala pa naman. Pero dito, ang dami na. Nag-oil up na ako. Ayan. So, yun pa lang naman yung nakita ko. And then, nandiyan pa rin yung blush on, yung aking contour, and then, yung highlights, nandiyan pa rin naman siya. And of course, the lipstick, guys. Na-surprise ako sa lipstick ng Wet n Wild. Although kumain na ako ng tinapay and chocolate drink, pero nagstay pa rin siya in fairness. So, I think hindi ko pa kailangan mag-blot kasi okay pa naman siya. Yes, so I'll update you for the last and final review for this foundation. So, I'll be giving an update later on. I'm back for the final update, guys. So, time check, it's 10:13 p.m. So, it's almost 3 hours past when I put the foundation on my face. And I might say that it holds kasi talagang okay pa naman siya, diba? What do you think? And then, napansin ko lang, nung nag-oil up lang ako dito around my nose, dito konti sa chin, tsaka dito sa my cupid bows, at dito sa my forehead. But, sa iba, wala na. Tsaka, yun lang. Yun lang naman yung napansin ko. Hindi pa ako nag-blot or hindi pa ako nag-retouch. So, ito na siya. After 3 hours, ito na yung face ko. Ayan. Yan. So, let's see if ever nag-blot ako kung may mahok pa tayo. So, wala ako ng blotting sheet. So, dito tayo mag-umpisa sa nose. Sobrang oily na ako sa nose. Ito pa. See, guys. Okay, guys, I'm done. So, I didn't apply any loose powder or pressed powder on my face. Blot lang. Inus ko lang yung mga oiliness. Ayan. So, I might say maganda talaga siya. Especially dito sa eyebrow ko, na-surprise ako, eyeshadow ko, na-surprise ako kasi, di ba, usually dito nag-crease, yung parang namumuo yung foundation, and na-surprise ako, wala, as in wala, ayan siya, guys. Hindi namuo or something, kasi usually kapag kahit BB cream, napapansin ko, namumuo siya dito. Siyempre, pag nag-oily na, di ba? Namumuo siya. Ito hindi. So, I'm very surprised. Tapos, siguro, inisip ko na lang, maganda yung ginamit kong primer. It's from Rain Velvet Face Primer. Siguro maganda siya, kaya talagang nag-stick siya sa skin ko. Let's have a product review about the Dream Satin Skin of Maybelline. So, I've got the B2 shade. And then, I might say, yung price niya is very affordable for a foundation. Kasi alam nyo naman ang mga foundation ngayon, lalo na yung mga high-end. Super, super pricey. But this one is affordable kasi, I don't know, hindi ko pa kasi natatry yung mga high-end products na foundation. Pero, maganda siya. Long-lasting din. 3 hours left, pero boom pa rin naman ng aking face. Ayan. Tsaka, syempre, mag-oil up ka talaga dun sa mga T-zone, diba? Kaya, wala, hindi na tayo magsa-surprise doon, pero syempre, kailangan lang natin na i-mattify siya using powder or some blotting paper. For the packaging, maganda siya kasi meron na rin siyang pump. So, there's no need or hindi tayo mahihirapan kumuha ng very small amount ng product dahil meron na siyang pump. Unlike sa mga open bottle na talagang ang laki ng butas, talagang tatansyahin mo pa yung amount, diba? For the application, diba nga, on the right side, in-apply ko siya using paddle brush, foundation brush, and then on the left is the damp sponge. And I might say that yung damp sponge, very good when it comes to application. For me, maganda siya kasi na-blend niya well yung product. Unlike sa paddle brush, medyo kalat. Although, meron ako mga dry patches here sa my chin, pero okay lang yun kasi talaga nag-dry yung skin ko dito. Pero, yun, dun sa damp sponge talaga na-blend out niya yung product. For longevity, I might say magtatagal yung product, especially when you use a good face primer. A plus talaga yun, guys. The product is good. I might say, and this is not a first impression kasi nagamit ko na naman siya dati. And kasi dati hindi ako nag-face primer, kaya parang feeling ko ano talaga ako, oil up talaga ako that time. Pero ngayon, I used a very good face primer. I'm sorry. Yun. Kaya naging okay yung coverage niya. Do I recommend this product to you guys? Of course, I do recommend that product to you. Kasi very affordable siya, locally available, and of course, for those who are starting makeup like me, who just want to experiment, a thumbs up. Pwede nyo siyang itry. So if ever you're asking if I purchase the product again, yes, definitely. I'll do purchase it again if ever mawala na ako ng stock. Kasi maganda talaga siya. Combining it with a good face primer is a must. Yan. So, yes, I think that's all. That's all I can say about the product. If ever, guys, you already tried this product on your makeup routine, please let me know if you have thoughts, suggestions, opinion about the product. If you have the review, just feel free to comment down on the comment section below para malaman ko rin kung ano yung experience niyo about the product, and also kung ano yung naging dating ng product sa face ninyo. So I'm very happy to read all those comments from you guys, and I hope you enjoy watching. Yes, so until my next review and video, guys, so thank you very much for watching, and love lots.